today's video, we're going to make our own muscle and joint roller bottle and learn why you need to know how to make this fantastic do-it-yourself product for your home. Please like, share, and subscribe. This recipe contains all natural ingredients which support the body against sore muscles and joints. It also possesses spicy scents and properties that relax the mind with the body. All right, let's get to it. Recipe number 1. 2 drops of lavender essential oil, 2 drops of peppermint essential oil, 1 drop of lemongrass essential oil, 1 drop of copaiba essential oil. Recipe number 2. 3 drops of clove bud essential oil, 2 drops of eucalyptus essential oil, 1 drop of rosemary essential oil. Recipe number 3. 3 drops of lavender essential oil, 3 drops of peppermint essential oil, 1 drop of rosemary essential oil. Lavender essential oil can induce calm and relaxation. It supports against inflammation and promotes blood circulation. Peppermint essential oil can help relieve muscle and joint pain. Lemongrass essential oil can reduce stress and anxiety. It supports blood circulation and can reduce inflammation. Copaiba essential oil also supports against inflammation and may act as a mood enhancer. Clove essential oil can promote immune function and reduce inflammation. Eucalyptus essential oil supports concentration and focus and the reduction of inflammation. Rosemary essential oil may improve blood circulation and reduce stress and anxiety. First, we need 1 10 milliliter glass roller bottle, 9 milliliters of fractionated coconut oil. Coconut oil is a deep moisturizer and absorbs quickly. It's an antioxidant and is antifungal. First, add your desired essential oil combination to bottle. Then, add fractionated coconut oil. Place roller ball and lid on bottle and shake well. Roll on affected areas and massage. It's just that easy. Thanks for watching, and remember, subscribe, comment, and ring that bell for more wellness content at The Essential Journey, restoring the mind, body, and home with the power of nature.